I just got back from Target and I wanted to do a Target haul for you guys because I picked up some awesome stuff and a lot of it is for my Valentine / spring bedroom revamp. I had a lot of things that I needed to update in my bedroom, so I'm gonna show you the things that I purchased from Target in this video, and then I'm gonna do another video and I'm gonna show you what my bedroom looks like once I redo it with my new things that I purchased. So I literally filled up a cart full of stuff. I have about 6 or 7 bags of stuff down here that I purchased. First of all, I got these gorgeous throw pillows. My bedroom has a lot of grays in it, but I wanted to add some springy colors and I wanted to also add some like blush pinks for like Valentine's Day into springtime. So I thought this pillow right here would be perfect. These were on sale for, I think I got them for $15.99. No, they were $16.99 from Target. They were actually on an end cap. They were new. I hadn't seen them there before, but I loved the colors in them. I love the dark charcoal gray, which my bed has a dark charcoal gray upholstering to it, so this will go perfect. I bought 2. I'm all about the throw pillows. I changed them up seasonally. Bought these ones, which I thought were really nice. Now these were on clearance. They were on clearance for $11.88. I loved the blush color. I loved the fabric on it. I loved that they were lighter. They had 3 of them and I bought all 3 because I have a king size bed. I thought 3 of these would fit better on a king size bed. I love the like rectangular shape to them. So I was looking for some type of throw or something to put at the foot of my bed, and I found this in the clearance section. I love that blush pink color and I love the little pom-poms at the corners. This I believe was only $9.99. It is a 50 by 60 inch throw and it is super soft, so cute. This was actually the main reason why I went to Target. I needed new sheets. I purchased some sheets a couple years ago from Pottery Barn and I am actually thoroughly disappointed with them. They were very expensive sheets and they really only lasted a couple years. They started pilling and the corners ripped. So I figured this time I'm gonna buy something from Target that's not quite as expensive. That way if it doesn't last as long, it's not that big of a deal. And I wanted something in a nice springy color. Usually I buy white sheets because I like to be able to bleach them. But this time I decided to go for a blush color. Project 62 Nate Berkus brand from Target. It's a king size set and it comes with the fitted sheet, the top sheet, and the 2 king size pillowcases. This actually I believe was on clearance also for $55. It was the last one there. I think it was normally $75, but it was marked down to $55. And so that's not a bad price for king size sheets. So these are gonna look really great with my other blush color items. Since we do have a king size bed, we have 2 king size pillows and then we have 2 regular size pillows, which are the pillows that we sleep on every night. When we make the bed up, we usually make it up with all of the pillows and then I take the pillows off and we only sleep with like 2 standard size pillows. So I wanted to get pillowcases that matched for our standard pillows as well. So I found these are the Threshold brand. Again, that really gorgeous blush color with this little white design on it. They're just a standard pillowcase. Pretty sure they were $9.99 for 2, but again, loved the color, loved the blush pink, and they're gonna go really cute, coordinate really well with the other sheets that we got. I bought some pillows. Now, I wanted to replace the 2 standard size pillows that we normally sleep on. These are the down alternative, made by design. They're the Target brand pillow. This is the firm. These were $10 a piece. I have purchased these before. We usually change them about every year, but $10 for the year is not bad for a pillow that you sleep on every single night. I saw this really adorable table runner. It's an ivory color. It's got little red and blush colored hearts on it, and I love the little tassels on the end. I wasn't sure if I was gonna do a table runner this year for Valentine's Day, but when I saw this one, I think it's gonna work perfectly with all of my other table setting pieces. The centerpieces that I did the DIY on just the last video that I posted, and then I have some really gorgeous gold charger plates that are gonna look really cute. So this was $9.99. The Target kitchen set section. It was on an end cap. It was the last one that I saw there, so I grabbed this one, thought it was adorable. And they also had matching hand towels or kitchen towels, and I love decorating my kitchen every year or every season with a kitchen towel that is like specific to that holiday or season. So these ones are just really simple and that beautiful like ivory color with the little love on the front and then the little tassel. I usually put one on my oven and one on my dishwasher in my kitchen. So I bought two of them. They were $2.99 each. We are having a Valentine wine tasting party. And I was looking for a wine glass that I would have enough of for everybody. So I was looking for some extra little ideas for wine glasses. Now I saw these in the Target dollar spot. They are like a stemless wine glass. To me they look like a little stemless wine glass, and they have the XO on the front. They were $1 a piece. I bought 6 of them. That's all of them that they had there at that time, but I'm gonna go back again and see if I can find 6 more because I'd like to have at least 12 of them on hand. I thought these would be so cute for our wine tasting party, and I can also use them in my little heart-shaped tiered tray that I did a DIY on. I'm not sure if that's posted yet when I post this video, but it will be posting soon if it's not posted yet. Another couple items that I bought for decoration for our family room is a couple of Valentine throws. These were $9.99 each. They were on an end cap in Target as well. This gorgeous ivory and little blush pink heart. I love to have throws in our family room. We have the fireplace going at night when we're watching TV, and it's just really nice to have a throw, one on each of the sofa and the love seat. So I thought that these would be perfect. I got 2 of them. I wanted to get some little doilies for our party, and I saw these little pink round ones. I thought that they were perfect. I love that they were pink. I love that they were small. Only $1, and there are 24 little pink doilies in the packet. I happened to stumble upon the section in the Target dollar spot that has all of the 2019 planner supplies, and I stocked up a little bit. I'm all about a good planner. I have yet to start my 2019 planner. I do have a notebook that I use that is I've been using it as a planner, but I haven't actually started an official planner yet for 2019. So when I saw this one for $5 and it says Positively Planner, love the colors, the pink and green, and I love that it had this little like elastic that holds it shut. This is for $5. I could not pass this up. It is so adorable. It's got January through December 2019 in here. It's got all kinds of little inserts. It actually tells you on the back all the different inserts. It has a cover page. It has 12 monthly dividers. It has to-do lists. It has monthly pages, weekly pages, and note pages. So for $5, I had to buy it. I'm thinking organizing my video uploads and my ideas and stuff in this and keeping this specifically for my YouTube planner. I saw this little daily planner task pad right here. Now, I love the idea of this. I am crazy busy like 99.9% of the time. And very often I find that I have so much going on that I forget to do a lot of things, and then at nighttime I'll be like, oh crap, I didn't do it, and then like it just gets forgotten about. So I love the idea of jotting down everything that you plan on doing that day and having it in like a nice organized little pad. This was $3. There's actually 60 sheets in this, and I love the colors coordinated with the planner that I got. There's the date at the top, there's your priorities, there's a section for whatever you're gonna do for food or meals that day, workout, things to do in the morning, afternoon, evening, and night. I just thought this is like exactly what I need. These are a little it's like a little book. This one is called Creatively Organized. It's this gorgeous like salmon color. And then inside is basically like a project planner, which this is something that I'm definitely gonna use more in detail with planning projects, upcoming projects, DIYs, videos that I have in my mind, but I don't have them on paper. So this is just gonna work so well for planning out upcoming DIYs that I have. And then there was this one, which is called Financial Guru. Now, these were $3 a piece. and so worth it for $3 a piece. This is amazing, amazing. I would definitely pay a lot more than $3 for this if I saw it. This is like all about budgeting your household. There's a monthly budget, there's a weekly budget, all of your different expenses in here. I know mine will be like 3 times the size of this, but I love that it kind of breaks everything down. And then I also love that there is graph paper on the inside. I thought this is just gonna be so handy to have, and there's all different sections, and again, each section has the graph paper, each section has the little budget. I'm gonna sit down sometime this week and I'm gonna start filling this out so that I can at least for February be somewhat in order with my budgeting. Last thing that I bought from that cute little dollar section planner area was these gel pens. So I thought it would be nice to just have an extra set on hand, and they're only $3. And there's 12 of them. I love all the colors. There's even some sparkly ones in there. These are perfect for your planner, you know, to keep things separate. And these are also really good to use when you're doing a budget. I know for me, I like to do different bills and budget things with different colors. So I'll definitely use those in both my planner and budget planner. That's the stuff that I purchased from Target today. Stick around. I'm gonna do another video showing you exactly what I am doing to my bedroom upstairs to update it for Valentine's Day and springtime. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook, The Pixie Dust Housewife, and on Instagram, Pixie Dust Housewife. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.